Hey friends, if you wish to change scaling for specific apps in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Let us say one of the app is Google Chrome. Right click on it and then select show more options. Click on properties. Go to the compatibility tab. Now you'll notice something called as change settings for all users. So change high DPI settings. Click on this one and then check this box here, override high DPI scaling behavior performed by, and then select system enhanced. Now click on OK and then click on OK once again. You can do it for any app, but this has to be done individually for every app that you want to change scaling for. And this scaling will go in line with the scaling of the computer that you change accordingly. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.